What's going on, guys? HowToAdvance back with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to microwave chocolate mug cake. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and check out the description box below. Now let's get into the video. Prep: 5 minutes cook, 2 minutes total, 7 minutes servings, 1 yield, 1 cake. Chocolate mug cake in the microwave. This is my take on the chocolate mug cake in the microwave. This fudgy chocolate treat is truly decadent and ideal for nights when I want to relax. Need a tasty dessert that can be made in less than 30 minutes. This recipe is enhanced by the addition of chocolate chips, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup white sugar, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 tablespoon of water, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons unsweetened, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, cocoa powder. Directions: checklist of instructions. Step 1. In a large microwave-safe mug, mix with milk, canola oil, water, and vanilla extract. Stir in the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and baked soda, with salt. Step 2. Cook in microwave for about 1 minute 45 seconds until cake has been done in the middle. Directions. Note: use 1½ slices of plain unfilled apple soup to make the healthier version, and instead of milk use 3 slices plus 1 slice of tea. Fact of nutrition: serving, 603 calories, protein 6.9 grams, 82 grams carbs, fat 30.4 grams, cholesterol 3.7 milligrams, sodium 470.2 milligrams. Thank you for watching the entire video. Good luck and stay tuned.